Hello YouTube, it's Black Powder Pyros coming at you with a quick stash update. A few items we picked up. Had to grab some of these rockets. Been seeing demos on them, wanted to try them out. Also picked up these W vs A rockets. Was gonna grab another strobing rocket, but decided to go with these guys. They're supposed to have nice effects to them. Went with a 100 shot. We wanted to pick one of these guys up for a minute. Watched a demo on this one and it's pretty sick. I like this cake. I am going to do a canister shell comparison video with these guys right here up against the DP shells. Also going to throw these guys in. Picked up some fountains. Going to be doing a demo on these. Got 3 packs. Probably throw one into the stash and shoot a couple off. Alright, you guys, hit the comment, like, and subscribe button. Thank you very much.